Hello, Better Creek Classroom 5. Welcome to story time. The title of the story is called Hippo's Hiccup by Liza Charleworth. And this is Hippo. He is purple. Hiccup, said Hippo. Hippo has the hiccups. His friends came to help. Drink some water, said Giraffe, but that did not help. Hiccup, said Hippo. Spin around, said Zebra, but that did not help. Hiccup, said Hippo. Stand on your head, said Monkey, but that did not help. Hiccup, said Hippo. Roar, said Lion. That did work. Lion scared Hippo, so no more hiccups. Thank you, said Hippo. Now you can help me to stop shaking. And that's the end of the story, friends. Thank you for listening.